channel Indie Yogi. Today I've come up with a full body stretching routine which you can practice anywhere, anytime, also during your periods.
Okay, so let's get started. Adopt the Namaskara Mudra, close your eyes and start off with a couple of deep breaths. First stretching is going to be for our neck. We're going to touch the chin to our chest bone and open the neck really long. You can keep your eyes open or closed. Some people may feel dizzy closing the eyes. However, in my case, I feel a better body awareness when I keep my eyes closed. The next stretch is nodding the head to your left and then to your right. Practice each stretch for about 5 to 10 repetitions. If you have a neck or shoulder or upper back muscular pain or strain, you will find this stretch extremely relaxing. Remember to keep your spine and chest upright throughout. The next stretch is neck rotation, one clockwise followed by one anti-clockwise. We're going to practice total 5 to 10 rounds of such. While rotating your neck, remember to touch the chin to the chest bone and bring the ears close to the respective shoulders. This is also extremely relaxing in case of neck, shoulder, or upper back muscular pain. After completing the neck stretches, we will move on to the shoulder mobility and strengthening stretches. We're going to keep our spine and chest erect and then place our palms right in front of our bodies on the mat. Keeping the spine straight throughout and elbows straight, we're going to rotate our arms and try to touch the fingertips behind on the floor. As we inhale, we rotate and touch the mat behind. And as we exhale, we rotate and touch the palms in front of us. If we are not able to touch the fingertips behind, that is perfectly fine. We're going to rotate our shoulders only up till our flexible range. Now for shoulder mobility, we can also practice the cow-faced asana hand position in Vajrasana. Bind or at least try to touch the fingertips of both your hands, one from above and one from below behind your back. Another fantastic asana for our arms and rib cage opening is the reverse prayer or reverse Namaskara Mudra posture. In this hand gesture, the upper back, shoulders and rib cage tightness is taken care of. Our tricep, bicep, forearms, shoulder, upper back muscles are also beautifully stretched in the eagle hand gesture. For eagle, we fold one arm and at its elbow junction, we place the elbow of another folded arm. Crossing each other at the wrists, the palms touch each other. Let's now stretch the sides of our upper back muscles and the oblique muscles. Simple seated half lotus position. Place your right hand fingertips away from your right knee. Lift your left arm beside your left ear and stretch to your side deeply, keeping your elbows straight. Repeat the same stretch on the other side. Throughout the stretch, we keep our elbows straight and keep our knees as close to the ground as possible. Similarly, let's now place our entire forearm, the elbow to fingertips on the ground next to our knee and practice the same stretch. After completing on either side, we are now going to sit down in Vajrasana and awaken the body. Come on your toes, interlock your fingers, stretch your shoulders, keep your elbows straight, arch your spine, open up your rib cage. Inhale. Stay and feel it like the cow stretch. Similarly, curl inwards like the cat stretch, keeping your arms in line with your ears. Continue in static or in dynamic progression for about 5 to 10 repetitions. Now the next stretch is a backward bend. If you're menstruating and you're not very comfortable, you can skip this one. Place your thumbs behind your waist, forefingers to the sides of your waist. Push the pelvic region forward, open up your chest, open up your neck, back bend. Gradually, as you exhale, return to the center. For a feel-good back bend, extend your arms in front of you at shoulder level. Slightly rotate your torso towards the right. Rotate your right arm and reach for the right heel. Bend backward, left arm up beside your left ear. Now repeat both the variations or either of the two variations for about 3 to 5 repetitions. If you're going for the lower intensity variation, remember to complete equal number of times on either side. Now let us relax in the child's pose for a while. Increase the gap between your knees and go for the wide stretched variation. Focus on your breath, feel your entire body. If possible, close your eyes for better body awareness. Gradually get up and take the tabletop position, wrists under shoulders and thighs at 90 degrees to the ground. Let us practice thread the needle posture, another beautiful body awakening asana. Ground your left shoulder, left palm facing the ceiling. Right arm passing behind your right ear, turn your torso slightly towards the ceiling. Keep both your elbows straight. After practicing on either side, return back to the tabletop position and then go for the puppy stretch. First, we take the Ashtanga Namaskara, lowering the chest and chin down, and then one by one, extend your arms straight. If possible, walk your knees close towards your chest, keeping the hips high, elbows straightened. This is a beautiful stretch for our hips and our spinal column. Now, unless you have abdominal pain, you can go for the cobra stretch. Place your palms next to your chest. Slide your lower body down onto the mat and lift your upper body up. Keep the rib cage open and shoulders pulled behind. Feel the stretch in your spine, feel the opening of your chest and your shoulders, and then as you exhale, gradually come down to the ground. Let's now focus on the pelvic floor region, the inner thigh muscles. Adopt the Namaskara Mudra in front of your chest, come on your toes and try to touch the heels to each other. Remember to stretch open the inner thigh muscles as wide as you can throughout the asana. If you tend to lose balance, you can hold on to some support or maybe place your fingers on the ground. Let us now stretch our hamstring muscles, the muscles behind our thighs, which are often very tight. Try to hold your foot with both your hands and pull the leg towards yourself, keeping the knee straight. Now, if this is difficult, if you find that your knee is getting bent, you can also hold around your shin bone or your calf muscle and pull the leg towards yourself. Practice the same stretch now on the other leg as per your convenience, either holding the foot or holding around the calf muscle. In either case, practice the stretch for at least 3 to 5 repetitions on each side. Let us now practice the seated L or seated Dandasana posture. Chest and spine erect, triceps active, shoulders relaxed, legs stretched. Excellent for posture correction. Hold the position for about 10 to 15 seconds for 3 to 5 rounds. In this position, interlock your fingers and turn your torso to the right side, back to the center, to the left side, back to the center. Place your palms to the right on the ground, turn your torso, Similarly, place your palms to the left on the ground, turn your torso. Practice for 3 to 5 repetitions on each side. Let us now stretch the upper thigh muscles or quadriceps muscles. In the seated Dandasana, lift your right leg up, keep the toes pointed away from you, and hold on each leg for about 5 to 10 seconds. You can feel the burn in the quadriceps muscles. You can also try the same in dynamic fashion, lifting alternate leg one by one. Practice for about 5 to 10 repetitions of this asana. Right, now let's stretch open our hips and inner thighs. Join the bottom edges of your feet and then bind both your feet together with interlocked fingers. Keep your chest and spine erect. After holding for a few seconds, forward bend and try to touch the forehead to the ground in the same position. Stay for a few counts and return. Now we press the knees down and close to the ground, stretching open our inner thighs as much as we could. After a few seconds, we relax. Now we will go for the double pigeon pose. Stack both the legs one on top of the other and the legs should be in a straight line. Place your fingertips on either side of your legs and forward bend halfway through. This beautifully stretches the side of your hip muscles. Practice on both the sides. Let's now stretch our calf muscles and our ankles. Slightly recline your upper body, keeping the spine erect. One leg is off the mat and keep on extending and flexing your toes towards and away from you. Practice the stretch on both the legs. The resting leg can be straight or bent as I have shown here. After a few repetitions, you can now land both the feet on the ground. Relax your spine, relax your body. Breathe and extend your legs. Gradually now take the seated forward bend position. Inhale, arms up, exhale, forward bend. Stay in this position for about 10 to 15 seconds. Now return and comfortably sit in a meditative posture. Let us now practice a relaxing breathing, keeping our spine erect and adopting the index finger and thumb mudra known as the chin mudra. Inhale through your nostrils on a count of 3 or 4. Hold the breath for a couple of counts. Exhale through the middle of your mouth like blowing a whistle until you empty your lungs completely. Before you go for the next breath, wait for a couple of seconds. Practice this for 3 to 5 minutes. So we are breathing in through our nostrils and breathing out through the middle of our mouth. It's extremely relaxing and soothes our brain. Now we're going to wrap up our practice with Aum chanting. Adopt the Namaskara mudra in front of your chest. Keep your eyes closed and spine erect. Before chanting, deeply inhale and fill in your lungs. Chant till your lungs is empty. Again, inhale and fill in your lungs. Rub your palms rapidly to generate heat, and as they get warmer, place them on your closed eyelids. Gently pat your face and neck with your palms and take your own sweet time to open your eyes gradually.
Hey everyone, I hope you are enjoying my videos and you're benefiting from them. If you are, please don't forget to like, comment, share and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's it for today guys. I will see you next week. Till then, bye bye.